Hi friends, welcome. So there was a little gap. Otherwise, we were almost every day 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We are coming online to discuss various our tutorials, our blog post and all. So for last 2-3 days, I was little busy and unable to come. So I hope this week and almost tomorrow onwards. Again tomorrow I'll try, and otherwise next week I hope I'll be regular. So we'll start with our whatever tutorials. If you have any doubt or suggestion, ideas, questions, anything you have, you can post it here or below the tutorials, based on which we will start our discussion. We regularly come at 7:30 to discuss Python, MySQL, SQLite, Kinter. We have finished a complete tutorial on Kinter and all. Then integrating with database and Python basics also we have finished, and PHP, web development, JavaScript, HTML, all these areas we discussed. Or we add our tutorials and we upload it frequently, so you can watch our tutorials, video tutorials, and read our blog post on this, so you'll get the idea. And anywhere if you are facing any issue or you are got stuck, or if you have any idea, suggestion for us, feel free to tell us. Now recently we are focusing more on the artificial intelligence tutorial. So we have uploaded quite a number of few tools, how you'll use and all. Right now we are, as a user point of view, we are giving you some ideas on the AI tools, on the basics of AI tools. So hello, hi. So glad to see you one by one joining. We will just spend some 5-10 minutes, not more than that. Again, I will upload tutorials also tomorrow or day after, so you can watch them. Now we are little focusing on the AI tools and all. So in the 3-part series, I am thinking of giving you that all those details, so you can you will be benefited by that. Let me just show you if I can here. Let me Gemini, no, I want to show you one PPT. There will be 3 parts of it. Let me just open that. I've recently prepared it. What I am doing is I am introduction to AI. Okay, this is the introduction to AI. Yeah. So fine, this I am closing it. Just watch this. This is what I will be next week. Will be starting this part. So in this we will be discussing with what is a 1 minute. You are, I hope you are able to, yeah. So next week we'll start from here. This is about the artificial intelligence. So what is the basics of it? I've just given a best guess, because first we must understand what is this AI, what problem it is going to solve, what is the difference between a artificial intelligence or it's a simple algorithm. Say you are working on a employee table and you want to pick up the basic basic salary of a employee. Simple, you can write select star from or select basic pay from the employee table. These are as simple as that. Or you are going a buy a ticket, so based on number of availability it will show you these 5 tickets are available. So there the AI is not used. Then what is used is a simple algorithm. Can you use artificial intelligence in all our requirements or all places? No, it is definitely not. Then we must understand what's the basic difference between AI and our and a algorithm. We'll call this AI with replace the word AI with a model. So what is the basic difference between an algorithm, where we are straight away we will do buy a ticket or take a employee basic pay and all. Otherwise, what is the difference between a model? So why we can't use a model? That knowledge is a must. So here you can see that we'll see this discussion next week will continue. So in a 3-part series we will do that. We will start with the first part, the letmost. What you are seeing is understanding of AI technology, basic of AI, machine ML is machine learning and deep learning, difference between programming and algorithm. This is the first part, is quite important. Second part, certain things we have already uploaded the tutorial. We have just seen Notebook LM. I think 3-4 tutorials are already there. Good one. AI Studio 1 or 2 are already there. I will add few more. These are the tools, because here we need not understand the technology behind it. We just use it as a business tool. say it's like a vehicle. We are just driving it. We need not understand what is the gearbox inside or how the power transmission takes place and all. But as a driver, we must know what is my fuel tank capacity, how is the braking distance, because these are all which help me in driving the vehicle. But I need not be a technology or automobile engineer to drive a vehicle. This is what the tools lies there. Tools will tell you how to use it, and by understanding the technology, it is understanding, not taking the entire technology into our area. So by just what it is, what's a gearbox does, what's a wheel, what's a petrol tank capacity, how the brake clutch combination work, all those things will help us. So as a driver, not as a automobile engineer, to learn that, we'll see that tools. And in the third part, we'll see the responsible AI deployment, where we'll see the what is the guardrails. Guardrails is the safety net where it will for the society, how far AI is it is beneficial definitely, but it has some effect also, that we'll see. Bias, is it bias, or is it, what are the, how it handle the hate speech and all. Then definitely it takes also matters to the copyright and intellectual properties. Then fact checks, this is the third part of it. Second part, quite easy, tools already you can just follow some tools and watch it. First part will take in the go in depth and study that. So that is what is my intention of explaining you in a week time. So series of presentations I will give you, some tutorial also I will be uploading. So I hope that will be beneficial to you, and at any point you can ask me the question. Say in your area you want to deploy a small AI tool. Now this time we are going to technical side of it, not as a user point of view. User is tools, what if somebody is developer, some tool is available, we are using it for our business application or for our study. Notebook LM is a quite popular as a training module, as a research assistant. It is nothing but research assistant. It helps you in collecting the, summarizing the details and all. Similarly, AU Studio is also a good amount of prompts you can generate, videos you can generate. So AI, these three, it is not that these three are only there. There are many tools are there, and every you will find a week time or thing new tools are coming to the market. So better we'll focus more on the understanding, then tools, then the responsible, in the three parts of it. You just see here it is. You need not be a we are all, rather, when you are using a tool, think that as a driver. We need not, but there is a group of specialists or a technocrats or a automobile engineers are there behind this Formula 1 car. But a driver need not know how the power transmission works. It only understands certain basic things to how to operate the equipment. That is how the AI system will be using as a tool. So these things and all will be learning in the coming days. I'll just leave you with some let me just see this. Yeah, certain videos also you can generate. Let me just say few prompts I have tried. Prompts is the how we give a input to AI system, and that AI will give us. Let us just, I will show you some videos. Here you are able to see. Sorry. Watch these videos. Hopefully you can. So these are the AI generated videos by giving prompt using various tools. You can see that. So not only the videos, you can generate image. So you have given that like a you just see a fighter jet is moving, a missile stuck it, one is these are the, based on your prompt, these videos are generated. A fighter jet is traveling and destroying a naval ship and all, you can see that. Then a missile is launched. Now a group of scientists or engineers are watching closely a Formula 1 race, because here the Formula 1 race is they are all technocrats, and the driver need not know everything, but it's some things in the know. These are all the things we can generate it. One more I will explain to you how you will identify what is the, where you will use the algorithm and where you will use the AI system. So this is what will, that's all friends. We will see more on this. Let me come back. Yeah. So that is the idea behind our let me just come back to our fine. This is what actually we are planning for the next coming days, what you will be studying or will be discussing more. Good evening. Fine friends, some two new are joined. Okay friends, so we'll be continuing like this. Next week I will give you once again I'll give you the introduction to AI and all. So as a user or as a technocrat, suppose you want to know what is the technology behind AI, artificial intelligence, then small projects we can take it up. Say PyTorch is a Python library. You must have a basic knowledge of Python. I am not saying very good knowledge, it is always better if you know pandas, numpys and all. Even if you don't know, I'll give you an introduction. So we'll be using PyTorch. I have some small applications we'll run, but this is all about the technical part of it. We are not going for that more. We'll not focus more. We'll just have an introduction on that. As a user point of view, we'll see what is a language model, what's a large language model, what's the difference between these two. These are the things we'll be focusing more. Yeah friends, you can ask me question. I hope you are enjoying our tutorials. We are last for 2 weeks I have not uploaded anything new, but Python basics some around 4 5 I think around 8 or 9 I have already uploaded. We have gone up to the basics of functions and all. You can, if you are a beginner, you can study those, and there are some podcasts also in English, all are there, so you can watch them. So let me know you want to continue with the Python basics, then I can definitely start to upload some 1 or 2 sessions on Python basics. And Kinter we have already finished. Database integration, that is the beauty, that is where the important applications, because small projects we can do once we are comfortable with our database and all. That's all friends, already 14 minutes today because I just gave you this AI introduction. So we'll not spend more in lifetime. Okay, hi Pratik, namaste. So we'll not spend more time on this evening day interaction because I will be uploading the videos so you can see. Hopefully this weekend or next week I will start uploading again regularly the videos. Hope you are all fine. Enjoy your college, job, wherever you are enjoying, and tomorrow weekend, tomorrow day after tomorrow, so enjoy your time. Will, if you don't have any more questions and all, we'll close the session and again back tomorrow. I will try. Nowadays because of some other works I am getting stuck. Evening I am unable to I will means return home at 7:30, that is the issue. So hope next week I will regular, and if you don't have any more questions and all, we'll conclude here. And note that next week we are more focusing on AI introduction part, not in advanced application part. AI introduction. No more questions, so we'll please join tomorrow also 7:30 Indian Standard Time, evening hours will be hopefully the comfortable. And watch the whatever tutorials on AI we have uploaded. We have uploaded quite few. Notebook LM is my favorite. Try to generate some podcast and all. ChatGPT, Google AI Studio. These three I am focusing more. There are plenty of tools are there. If those who are using, they can give me that tool is good. This some 10-15 are there, and almost frequently new tools are coming. But basically, I understand ChatGPT, Google's AI Studio or Gemini, and in that one more Google product is Notebook LM. These three is what I am focusing or I am using. The videos whatever I have shown you is generated from the AI Studio, and I have a free means very basic account. I am not advanced user of AI. You can, if you have an advanced user, you want more videos and all, you can take the subscription also. Okay, I have an advanced account for ChatGPT, of course. That's all friends, we'll stop here. Please join me tomorrow also 7:30 this time. Thank you friends. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel also. and tell your friends also to join for this discussion. You can ask me questions, because once your friends join, we will have a useful discussion. Thank you, friends. Hope you join me tomorrow also. Thank you for watching.